I tested dozens of teleprompter apps over 5 years, both paid and free ones, and in this video I want to show you the best one you can use today, and it happens to be completely free. But first, let's establish one thing. In 2026, the only acceptable solution is an app with reliable voice scrolling, because every other option, timed scrolling, pedals, sound-activated scrolling, they all require you to think about the scrolling while you're trying to speak naturally, and that's a big problem. The frustrating part is that most free apps don't have voice scrolling at all, and the ones that do either support very few languages or the scrolling is unreliable, too jumpy, so you end up fighting the app instead of recording your video. Then there's mirroring. If you use a physical teleprompter glass like I do here, you know exactly what I mean. Almost every app gives you two buttons: flip horizontally and flip vertically. And no combination of them actually works properly with a real glass rig. What you actually need is to flip the content horizontally and rotate it 180 degrees. And the third thing that drove me crazy, most of these apps are just not designed for mobile at all. The UI feels like it was built for desktop and then never adapted, which is a problem because you use phones and tablets with physical rigs, with physical teleprompter glasses. So, out of frustration and necessity, I just built my own app. It's called VoicePrompter, and surprise, surprise, it has reliable voice scrolling, proper mirroring mode, and an interface that actually works on a phone. It is completely free, open source, and runs in your browser on any device: iPhone, Android phones, iPads, Windows devices, MacBooks, Mac computers, Linux, anything. You don't even need an account. Everything is completely private. Let me show you how it works. You go to voiceprompter.app, paste your script, hit the microphone, and it starts following your voice. If you stop, it stops as well. And once you start again, it just follows from exactly where you left off. That's the core of it, and it genuinely works great. But it has many more cool features I use when recording. The tiny thing that removes a lot of friction for me is, for example, paste to replace button. When you have a new script ready, just copy it from Notes, Notion, Google Docs, whatever, hit paste to replace, and it's loaded instantly. One tap and you're ready to go, especially on mobile, where manually selecting and replacing text is genuinely annoying. Touch to jump is the other thing. If you mess up a line, you just tap the word where you want to restart, and you don't have to scrub back or rewind anything. You just keep going from exactly that word. Mirroring mode is one toggle, and the whole script flips correctly for a glass rig, so you don't have to figure out which combination of buttons to press. It just works out of the box. You can also preserve paragraph breaks, which sounds like it should just be standard, but most apps collapse your whole script into one wall of text. Here, it looks exactly how you wrote it, with actual breathing room between sections, and that makes a real difference for pacing, so you actually know where to pause. All the usual display settings are there too: font size, line spacing, margins, light or dark theme, and you can move the active reading line higher up on the screen so it sits closer to your camera lens, which makes your eye contact look more natural in the final video. There are also voice commands. You can say prompter restart to reset to the beginning, prompter back to jump back, and prompter forward to skip ahead.
Prompter forward. Prompter back.
You can install it as progressive web app on your phone or laptop, and it runs completely without internet, which is useful if you're shooting somewhere without a reliable connection. Scripts are saved locally and never uploaded anywhere, and if you paste text in another language, it automatically detects it and switches the recognition engine. The app supports 34 languages at the moment, and it works even with accents.
He probado decenas de aplicaciones de teleprompter a lo largo di 5 años tanto di pago como gratuitas.
And there's one more thing. I added recently many times requested feature. You can now record video with your webcam directly inside VoicePrompter. So you can record video and read the script with voice scrolling on just one device. even without a physical teleprompter glass. When you're done, the video saves straight to your device with no upload and nothing going to any cloud, and you can edit or upload directly to social media. I released the first version of VoicePrompter about 3 months ago, and since then almost 2,000 people have used it. I get comments like these pretty regularly, and some people have even sent donations through my Buy Me a Coffee link, which honestly means a lot. So thank you very much. The app is completely free, 100% free, and it is going to stay free. If it saves you some money or just saves you the frustration of dealing with something that barely works and you want to support the project, give a like, comment, and share this video with your friends so more people can find it. And subscribe if you want to see more videos on how to use a teleprompter, some tips and tricks on natural delivery, recording, and more. Thank you and take care.